Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Gmail confidential mode for secure message delivery. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Gmail confidential mode, open your Gmail account. Locate the Compose button on the left side of your screen. Click on the Compose button to start a new email. In the Compose window, look for a lock icon with a clock, usually found at the bottom of the window. Click on this icon to turn on confidential mode. A new window will appear with options for setting expiration and requiring a passcode. Choose how long you want your email to remain accessible. Options typically include 1 week, 1 month, or another specified duration. If you want to add an extra layer of security, select the option to require a passcode. You can choose to send the passcode via SMS to the recipient's phone number. Once you've made your selections, click the Save button at the bottom of the window. Now, compose your email as usual with the subject and message content. After you finish writing the email, click the Send button. Your email is now sent in confidential mode. The recipient will receive a notification about the confidential message. They will need to follow the provided link to access your email securely. Remember, recipients cannot forward, copy, download, or print emails sent in confidential mode. You can also revoke access to the message at any time by opening the sent email. Click on Remove Access to deactivate the email and limit its availability. This concludes the process of sending emails in Gmail's confidential mode for secure message delivery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.